Hey guys, for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a TikTok video in Canva. So first thing that you want to do is you want to upload your pre-recorded video. So click on upload over here, then click on upload, then click on upload files. Then you want to go ahead and upload your pre-recorded video. Then click on add to uploads. So it should redirect you to a new tab and you will see your video already here in the canvas. And from here, you can start adding some text. Just go here to the left sidebar, click on text, then click on add a heading. And then you can go ahead and put your text, like whatever caption you want to put in your video. Then just go ahead and style the text and place it accordingly to where you want it. Then you can also add some elements. Just click on elements over here at the left sidebar. Then search for a element that you'd like to use. And then you can input it here in your video. And after you've customized your video, just click on share over here at the top. And click on download. And that's it. Thanks for watching.